MP3 players are a thing of the past, but I recently found this, the Sony Walkman. I don't know the specific model, but it's the NWZ B162F, but this is a very special thing simply because of how unique it is. It has a built-in USB connector, which is quite unique in today's standards. So I'm going to give myself a challenge. I just put some of my favorite songs in it. I'll use this for a day and see if I can survive with just this as my only music player, compared to my phone and Spotify or on other stuff. So follow me to find out about my journey with this old MP3 and let me tell you more about it. Let's go! Okay, so the MP3 player, wow, it's a very classic thing, I would say. When I was young, I used to have one of these. I used to own an iPod Shuffle as well. So this is very nostalgic to me. Holy bloody fuck. Okay guys, so this is modern technology with old technology. So I have the Walkman here. To get song in it, I guess you have to plug it into your computer through a dongle, the Walkman into the computer. See if it pops up. Okay, very cool, very cool. Oh, there's actually some tracks in here. I can actually drag this in here. Oh wow, now I'm transferring music to... oh, I guess it works. Okay, I have music inside. Okay, so I have reached this point where I listen to every single song on this, and yeah, it's boring, but it's definitely nice to revisit the past and to see how far we've come in the technology world, as now we can just connect to the internet, we can stream any music we want. Wow, it's really loud. So if you just want something to play your radio, or you just want something to play your music, it has about 2 GB of space, so I guess it works. Other than that, this has no limitations. The sound quality is pretty decent, especially considering the fact that these are kind of cheap headphones that comes with this, so but the sound still sounds really good. Definitely a step back, but a worthy look at something of the past and thinking to ourselves that we shouldn't take technology for granted, and this, in today's standards, limited and not useful.